Today we have to start with the new topic, sum of the given term in the of an AP. In the sum of the given term of an AP, how you have to do the sum? For that we have directly the formula, sum of the Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for sum of the first n term of an AP. What is the formula that you have to learn properly? Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This n is the number of term, 2 into this is the first term plus n is the number of term minus 1 into d is the common difference. So how this formula will come in existence, that I will prove now. Here how you have to prove this Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that you have to see. First of all, I will say that if a is the first term and d is the common difference, if a is the first term and d is the common difference, at that time the arithmetic progression becomes first term is a. In a, if you will add the common difference, at that time this is the second term. In a plus d, if you will add the common difference, at that time this will come the third term. And if in a plus 2d, if you will add the common difference, at that time this is the fourth term and this is the tn term. Means this is the last term. But we know that tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. You have to put this value. This, and if I will put this value, at that time that becomes, if arithmetic progression becomes a plus a as it is, a plus d as it is, dash dash dash. I will not write these remaining terms. A plus d, first two terms I will take, and directly I will write tn as a plus n minus 1 into d. Means instead of tn you have to write a plus n minus 1 into d. But if you want to write the previous term, at that time what will come? This will come like this, a plus n minus 2 into d. This is the last term. What is the last term? This is the tn term, a plus n minus 1 into d. And previous term of second last term becomes a plus n minus 2. Instead of n minus 1, here n minus 2 into d. If you want to write the previous term, at that time that becomes a plus n minus 3. Instead of n minus 2, n minus 3, like that terms will come. If you will take the first two terms, at that time you have to take only the last two terms to prove this formula. Then I will sum of the first n term. If this is the AP, a comma a plus d comma, this is the AP, a comma a plus d comma, then here I will say that a plus n minus 1 into d comma a plus n minus 2 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the arithmetic progression. You have to do the sum of all the terms. This is the first term plus second term plus second last term plus last term. You have to do the addition. So I will do the addition. Sn, sum of the first n term. Sum means yes. Sum, yes stands for sum. And n term means n. So you have to say that sum of n term is equal to a as it is. A as it is you have to write plus a plus d you have to write plus dash 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 plus this term you have to write a plus second last term you have to write plus this last term you have to write as it is. Then what you have to do? You have to reverse the order by reversing the term and rewriting the expression again. Means reversing the term means this last term you have to write first, this second last term you have to write second, this second term you have to write second last, and first term you have to write last. Like that you have to rewrite the term. Means if you will go like this, at that time you have to write like this only. This term will come here, this term will come here, this term will come here, and this term will come here. Means I will say that by reversing the terms and rewriting the expression again. Then this is the first expression, this is the second expression. You have to do the addition of this expression. Means this plus this. Means this expression plus this expression. You have to do the addition of the terms. Then Sn plus Sn. 1 Sn plus 1 Sn. 1 Sn plus 1 Sn is equal to what you have to say? 2 Sn. Here In this term you have to add this term. In this term you have to add this term. In this term you have to add this term. In this term you have to add this term. properly pay that attention and you have to clarify that how this formula will come. Then this a plus a, this a here you have to write, a plus n minus 1 into d here you have to write, a plus d you have to write here, a plus n minus 2 into d you have to write here, plus dash 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 as it is, plus this you have to write here, a plus n minus 2 into d, plus a plus d here you have to write, a plus n minus 1 into d, plus a as it is you have to write. Here you have to see that this a plus a, this 2sn as it is you have to write, a plus a is equal to 2a, n minus 1 into d, n minus 1 into d, how you have to write, n minus 1 into d as it is you have to write, means this becomes 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a plus d plus a plus n minus 1 into d, how you have to do the addition, I will show this here. Here I will show how you have to do the addition. A plus d plus a plus n minus 2 into d, you have to do the addition. So if you want to do the addition, at that time what you have to say, this a plus a is equal to 2a, if this a and this a you have to add, this a plus a is equal to 2a, this d means 1d as it is you have to write, n minus 2d, you have to use the distributive law, n multiplied by d and d multiplied by 2, n multiplied by d is equal to nd, d multiplied by 2 is equal to 2d. Then 2a as it is, this 1d plus nd, this 1d and 2d you have to write together. First of all I will write the term of the n into d, minus 2d you have to write as it is, plus 1d you have to write here, then 2a as it is you have to write, nd as it is you have to write, minus 2d plus 1d is equal to 1d, and in between these two terms you have to take out d common. At that time, if I will take out d common, at that time it become n minus 1 into d. Means this term a plus d plus a into n minus 2 into d is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Same term I will write here, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How you have to write this term? Like this, already I showed here. Everybody understand? Then you have to add these terms. After addition of this term, a plus a is equal to 2a, and this again like this you have to do the addition, and this becomes 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And here if you will add these last terms, at that time a plus a is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d, dash what you have to say, n terms, means this is the n terms. Then what you have to do, this 2sn you have to write as it is, but if you will observe this step, at that time this is 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 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 and this will repeat n times. If AP holds the n number of terms, at that time 2a plus n minus 1 into d will come n times, and after that I will say that instead of writing this n time like this, I will write 2 into Sn is equal to n multiplied by, once you have to do this term, n multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In between 2 and Sn multiplication sign, this 2 becomes 2 upon 1 into Sn is equal to n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then you have to transpose this 2 upon 1. This 2 upon 1 becomes 1 upon 2. Otherwise multiplied by 2 becomes divided by 2. And Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula already means I proved this formula like this. You have to do these steps, and after that this formula will come. If any teacher will say directly this formula, at that time you have the problem that how this formula will come. So I already proved this formula. You have to concentrate properly, you have to write it properly, and you have to prove this formula like this. But this formula again I modified. I modified like this. Sn is equal to, same formula I wrote here. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the standard formula. But again you have to modify this formula like this. How you have to modify this formula like this, that you have to see. By rewriting 2a as, I will write this 2a as a plus a, n upon 2 as it is. This 2a you have to write as like this, a plus a is equal to n minus 1 into d. But we know that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Means this a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to what you have to say Tn. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 as it is, a as it is. Instead of a plus n minus 1 into d, you have to write Tn. And this Tn is the last term, a is the first term. So I will write Sn is equal to n upon 2 T1 plus Tn, bracket complete. Otherwise a plus Tn you have to say, and I will write this formula as like this: Sn is equal to n upon 2 into first term plus last term. This is the way to write the formula. This is also the easy formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into first term plus last term, in bracket first term plus last term. I think you understand these things. This formula will not miss. How you have to prove this formula, these steps will not ask in the exam, but for your convenience and for the understanding, I gave the step. You have to concentrate over these steps, and you have to try to understand each and everything, and you have to learn this formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. All these things you have to write in the notebook. Thank you.